Scottish Building was formed in 1895 and we are now delightfully celebrating our 120th year serving our member companies throughout Scotland. A Scottish Building Federation is a true federation set up of associations that span from Orkney to the borders, and we represent all of our member companies within each of the associations, give them day-to-day business support with regards to operating within the construction sector.
Well, basically my company was formed in 1992. My brother Robert and myself were both joiners to trade, and I have now so far spent 40 years in the industry. I've been a member of the Scottish Building Federation for 20 years and I'm a past president. I think being a member of the Scottish Building Federation, it gives us access to other professional people that have skills that we as a small SME don't have the ability to recruit and employ people to carry out those specific roles. From our point of view, Scottish Building Federation provide us services on contracts, they provide services on health and safety, they provide services on a range of employer issues and HR issues, which obviously as we're moving forward and progressing, hopefully coming out of the recession and moving towards some growth in the industry, then these all become really important aspects for any young business and any growing business.
My name is Derek Shue and I'm Chief Operating Officer with the Robertson Group. We've been involved with the SBF since the early 70s, mid-70s, when our chairman and the single shareholder joined SBF as a relatively small business. In fact, our chairman in 1984 was the president. We are now a business of 450 million and we've continued to use SBF for various services. We see that SBF is very, very vital to the industry in particular to get that message across of how important construction is to the Scottish economy.
Karen Nicholl, I'm the Deputy Managing Director of DJ Lane Contracts based in Carnoustie, just outside Dundee. We have been established just coming up for 40 years. It's our 40th year anniversary in May. We have been with the SBF as a member for a number of years, and I'm currently a board member and the former president of our local association. We carry out civil engineering works and primarily use the Scottish Building Federation for contractual advice, HR advice, and they're only a phone call away. It's obviously a good support network for our industry.
I'm Michael Ballantyne, Managing Director of M&G Ballantyne in Kelso. I'm also President of the Scottish Building South East Association, and as a result, the Director of Scottish Building. The kind of first-hand knowledge of the industry and keeping us abreast of everything that's going on today and coming as well, and the expertise you can call on just at the end of the phone. They're very proactive, I would say.
The Scottish Building Federation was set up in 1895 as an organisation to allow employers to network together as we do in today's modern society. One of the main benefits of becoming a member of the Scottish Building Federation is we are truly just focused on business within the construction sector. We can offer bespoke business services. Unlike other more general business supporters and suppliers, we will work just within the construction sector.
I'm Karen McGann. I work for William Walk & Sons Builders Limited. They're a company based in Dumfries, a long-standing member of the Scottish Building Federation. I'm Joint Managing Director of William Walks, and I have also just been appointed Company Secretary of the Building Federation. Yes, William Walks in June this year has been trading for 200 years, which is a significant achievement, one that we're all very proud of. We reckon actually that the company has been with the Building Federation since the start. We did have a certificate number 4, and we reckon that the first 3 were trial members for the Building Federation. So we can't formally claim to be the first and original member, but we're certainly one of the first members of the Building Federation. The main services that we make use of as a company is certainly the employment law function. It's a fantastic service.
I'm Mike Smith, Managing Director of WBS Keeler in Dundee, and I'm President of Scottish Building Federation. It's a great honour. I've been involved with the association now for 10 years through the local association in Dundee and Angus. I was then Junior Vice and Senior Vice President, and it's a great honour to take on this presidency in 2015. For a company like us, we don't have HR functions, things like that, so the service that Vaughan and Ian and all the team provide is invaluable. We pay an annual fee and we get excellent service, whether it's to do with employment matters, health and safety, training, and the Federation provides us with a fantastic service. I'd like to help Vaughan and the team to move the Federation on. We've had a lot of challenges over the last 5 years, 6 years with the recession. There's a lot of new member companies coming on board, there's a lot of new faces, associate companies coming on board, bringing new ideas, moving the company in a different direction, and I'm sure we'll serve our members very well.
Scottish Building Federation has to move and change like any other organisation. We are a traditional trade federation, but what I believe is the most important thing we need to do is listen to our businesses and offer services that are modern in approach to help our members become more economically viable.